This is Bella. She's a 2.5-year-old Siberian Husky. Bella is about to have some babies. This is Silver, her brother and best friend. The night before Bella has her puppies, she starts nesting. And the next morning, she's ready to go. Within a few hours, we had the first baby.
Keep on forgetting to press record.
A few hours later, there were 4. All girls. The moment they were born, they knew exactly what they needed to do. By the afternoon, we were back home. At this age, all they do is eat and sleep. But we break it up every once in a while for the required weigh-in. They're gaining about 50 to 100 grams a day right now. And a little spa time. Silver seems to be handling the change okay. And so is Bella. We're just starting out this channel, so be sure to subscribe. We're going to be uploading videos on a regular basis. Leave us a comment to let us know what you want to see next. And don't forget to like this video and tell your friends. Thanks for watching.